live the best goddamn life you can.
Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year's. It's the first day, January 1st, 2026. Here we go. Here we go. Let's play some golf. Shall we? Come on up here, Byla. Come on up here, Byla. Good girl. Good girl. You a good girl. You's a good girl. Yes, you is. Okay, shall we play some golf, Byla? Let's play some golf. Let's play some golf. Right? Now. Hi. Where are we at today? Oh, we're on sim mode today. It's always fun to play sim mode. Well, we're back in Southern Hills in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Back in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Where are we pulling? What are we playing? Hole number 4. Hole number 2, par 4. Hole number 7, par 4. Par 5. That means we're playing a par 17 today. Par 17. We're playing par 17 today. Par 17 today, Byla. 17. Yeah, we're playing par 17 today. All right, let's play par 17 then. Southern Hills sim mode. What was the wind? 2 to 4. Okay, not a ton of wind, which is thankful. I'm thankful for, especially on sim mode. Okay, let the stress begin. I hope everybody had a fun and safe New Year's Eve last night. Hope you enjoyed it with friends or family. You're surrounded by happiness and goodness and all that jazz. I hope. That's what I hope for you. That's what I hope for everybody. It's just happiness. Happiness for everybody. Oh, the leaders are only at -5. Wow. Leaders are only at -5. That's almost amazing. With 3 par 4s and a par 5. I mean, it's birdie, eagle. Well, let's get at her and crack the whip. Let's crack the whip. Let's crack the whip. Let's crack it. Let's crack that whip. Let's crack it. Look out, birds. Look out, tree. Whoa. You know, anytime I've ever hit a tree in real golf, I don't think it's ever gone straight through. It's either bounced out of bounds or it's worked in my favor and bounced in bounds. It's because sometimes it drops straight down, but not usually. But a little ding-a-ling here, and I are gonna go for our walk here in a bit too. 70. Hold it. 70 yards. Can I do 70 with my 54? Not quite. What's the green look like? Oh, it's rolling away from me. Breaking left. Okay, well, back to the 60 then. Hold it. Approach with the 60, no. finesse with the 60. Actually pull it back a little bit. Actually, it's uphill. Let's go 72 yards. We'll go a little past. Aim right there. Okay, here we go. Oh shit, I forgot to give a shout out to my sponsors today. Okay, well, right after this. I got no control on the ball. Shout out to my sponsor, bestcoastdistillers.com. Yeah, it's a distillery. It's a small distillery with it's filled with great people. It's, you know, small. Bestcoastdistillers.com. Go check them out. Use promo code Madman at checkout, and you'll save 10% on your order. I'm breaking right downhill. Not enough power, not enough brake. Yeah. Oh well. Guess we settle for par then. Hee-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hee-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Did any of you make any New Year resolutions or anything? I made a couple yesterday, but that's all in the past. So you have to go watch that if you want to know what I did or what I'm going to attempt to do. There's that big tree there. That big tree sure looks like it's more in the way than it is from this view. Oh, what tee box am I on? I'm in the front tee box. Okay, well. Okay, let's just crack her down there. Let's get cracking. Let's get cracking, shall we? Get cracking. Uh-oh, 4! I scared some of those folks. Finesse with a 9. Where's the pin? Pin's at the back corner. Don't want to be past. Do not want to go past the hole. The hell kind of camera angle's that? There's people in my way. Damn spectators standing in front of the cameras. Them damn spectators. Uphill braking left, barely. Uphill braking left, barely. Bam! We got a paw, or we got a birdie, Byla, we got a birdie, Byla, 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 we got a birdie, Byla, we got a birdie, 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 Byla, 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 we got a birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie, 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 birdie. Par birdie. If I birdie this one and then eagle the next one, I can be in second place, tied for second place, or tied with everybody in second place. That would be great. That would be great. That would be great. That would be great. What's the crowd groaning about? No! 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 Well, piece of monkey poop. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, man, I thought I was playing safe. Can't trust the caddy. Normally you could trust your keys. Normally your caddy would have your little notebook or whatever. Be like, on this hole you want to end da 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 da. This guy just gives you whatever club and tells you to just shoot over there. So much for my birdie, unless I drain this shot. And I don't know how likely that is, but it's possible, I guess. 129 to the pin. Wind to my back with the 50. 50s roll forward a little bit. Let's make it 126 then. Right there. Regular power. Should have pulled it back even more. Well, sarsaparilla. Pretty much flat, breaking left. Shucks, that was for my par, wasn't it? I'm gonna bogey this hole. All because of that darn water. Oh, we're back to even. And here at one time I thought being on the leaderboard was a possibility. Although it is. If I played this round again, I'm sure I could get much closer to the leaderboard than I'm going to today. A couple of ponds, a land bridge, beach, surrounded by beach and sniper towers. Yay, 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 yay. At this point, I don't know. Let's just go. Crowds. How come? Well, there's the groan. There's the groan. There's the groan from those guys. Groany pants. Okay, uphill, strong uphill braking. A little bit that way. Or it's not braking that way, I guess. Guess I should have just aimed straight at the damn hole. Frackin' sarsaparilla. Frassin' sarsaparilla, Sausen Jensen. Sakamasinski. Sauerkraut. Silly. We're out of here. -1 today. Well, at least I was in the minuses. I guess. We'll take that out of it anyhow. We'll take that. Take that. Whoa, what the hell is that? Stop that. Stop that. Let's get out of here. Get me out of here. me out of here. So I watched the season finale, or the series finale, I guess, of Stranger Things last night. And in my opinion, I thought it was epic. I thought it was done excellently. I think I loved pretty much every part of that finale. I think they nailed it. I thought it was great. I thought it was really good. I'm not sure how else they could have finished that series other than the way they did. But anyways, Byla and I will continue on our walk, and let me know what you thought of the Stranger Things finale in the comments. I got the big sneezers. You got the big sneezies. Oh, the big sneezers, hey? Oh, stick your nose somewhere it shouldn't be. You get the sneezers? Did you get the sneezers? The sneezies? Are you sneezing? Got the sneezers? It's an ice cube. Ding-a-ling. Christmas. Today feels like an oatmeal-y kind of day. An oatmeal-y kind of day today. Oatmeal-y. Byla 2. Bye-bye 2025. Hello 2026. Get in there. There we go. Time to go to work. Hi, Caramba. Long day today. Alright, let's head home. These roads don't look very fun either. There's not a lot of snow out there, but she's greasy. I had to get out and put it in four-wheel drive and lock the hubs. Hi, Byla. Hey, yo, Byla. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Oh my God, you're just such a nut. You're just such a nut. But it's so nice to come home that somebody's so excited. So nice to come home and somebody's excited. It is. Have a great day. Hey.